Hi guys, this is Lane. And I'm going to show you guys how to do some Play-Doh slime. So what you're going to need is some blue Dawn, some glue. I already poured some glue inside of there, so sorry about that. But and then icon solution and some Play-Doh. I got purple Play-Doh for Christmas, so that's why I decided to do this. So I already got the glue in. First you're going to put inside the glue in, and then I can open it. The icons. Ow! So icon solution. Put that in there. Only 4 drops will do, and then I'm gonna put inside some Dawn. Okay. So then I'm gonna want to mix it. This is my first time making little amounts of slime, because I never make little amounts. I always make big amounts. So yeah. Oh, and something to stir with too. That's what you're gonna. Oh, and a bowl. That's what you're gonna need. So this might not turn out too well, but you guys will be able to do it. I just don't do it too well when I make a little amounts. But yeah, so I'm knitting it right now while trying to knit it, and it's like not too good. Oh, okay, I got it. Got the slime all good. All good. So then you're gonna want to. Oops, hold on, I'm still knitting it. When you're done knitting your slime, you're gonna want to put it inside a bowl that you didn't use. But because I don't have a bowl, I forgot my bowl, my other bowl. I'm just gonna use one of my doll's toilets. And it's perfect amount, see? So, and this is actually really cool, but I know, I just decided to put it inside there too. So right now it's inside the toilet. I'm gonna move these things out of the way. Oops. So this is right now what it is. My doll's toilet, so I don't destroy it. And then got that. Then you're gonna want to get your Play-Doh. Purple. I got purple Play-Doh. Any type of color Play-Doh. So it's purple. And then you're gonna want to get a little bit of it. So let me show you guys how much amount. It depends how much slime you have. So I'm getting this much right now. I'm putting inside the slime. So put it in there, and it will actually make your slime if like it's not too good slime. This would actually fix it. So see, but here's my Play-Doh slime. It's not a completely all Play-Doh, so and it actually makes it really well. Like right now, it's so my slime was not too knitty. Like it was like really stretchy, and the more Play-Doh you put inside, is the more better your slime would be. So I'm not putting in too much Play-Doh because I don't want to waste all my Play-Doh. But if like you make your gown, you're gonna need 4 Play-Doh, and you're gonna have to waste all of that. But this is right now my Play-Doh slime. It's really good slime. Say I wasn't filming it today. But this is my Play-Doh slime. It's really good slime. It's nice and stretchy, and it's purple. But yeah. Hey, can I play it? Sure, you can play with it, Madison. Oh, don't drop it on your dress. Let me put it between your hands, Madison. By the way, this is my doll, Madison. And I have a whole entire family. Like Tyler and Madison. Hey, Madison. Whatever, Madison, you cannot play with this. But Kyler was supposed to come. He didn't come, but this is my Play-Doh slime. It's really nice slime. So yeah. Put some Play-Doh inside my hands. I was playing with it a lot. Yeah. My Play-Doh slime. Kind of like smells like slime and Play-Doh, so it doesn't smell bad. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe. Leave me comments down below what I should do next on my next video. Bye.